GPCC president is trained. On what grounds? Did I ask her opinion?
म्हणल्यार काँग्रेसीन एमपीचो व्हॅल्यू ना.
No, अरे what? Okay, I will lose my temper. I have given you an honest answer.
आज एलिगेशन्स आमचेर जाता कोण म्हणटा सेटिंग आनी कितें आमचेर
Why,
एलिगेशन्स
sir?
So I have given the answer. हाचे फुडें आनी हांव कांय उलोवंक शकना.
Have to answer.
Why Mr. Girish Chodankar was asked to resign in 2022? Because he was inefficient. If he was inefficient, how suddenly he became efficient now just 6 months before election?
कित्याक 4.5 वर्सां दिली पार्टेक 6 म्हयने दिया आशिल्ले आनी दाखोवन दितली आशिल्ली 27 सरकार आमी हाडून दाखयता.
What is your stand? What is your stand? Don't ask.
That is
What is the mistake of
Amit Patel? And that is
Give all
the
reason.
someone who is
Why he
already
has
was
been
thrown
removed.
out. We are the ones for working
What
on the
is the
ground, sir.
reason?
Not the ones for
How
sitting in
can he
Delhi.
be asked
How
to
can
resign
this
without
happen?
discussing? Where is the opinion of our party?
No, sir. This is a
We want this
Congress is
now.
a democratic party. Then tell us where the democracy
Where is
done
the
over here.
democracy?
It is
How
a
can we-
dictatorship that they just send a letter to us and telling us that the GPCC president is trained. On what grounds? Did I ask her opinion?
These
We
are
are the
what?
ones for working
What
on the
is the
ground, sir.
reason?
Not the ones for
How
sitting in
can he
Delhi.
be asked
How
to
can
resign
this
without
happen?
discussing with us? Where is
We
the
are the
block?
Karyakartas,
सो
sir.
पळय तुमच्या इलेक्शनाक प्रेसिडेंटान साऊथ गोवाक एमपी दिलो तुमी भरपूर मेहनत घेतली तुमचेर जितलो आमकां विश्वास आसा तितलो प्रेसिडेंटाचेर आसा बाणावले झेडपी दिलो एफर्ट्स घेतले 27 एक इलेक्शन ताच्या अंडर लिडरशिपाच्या अंडर आमी काय मागना आमी म्हणटा प्रेसिडेंट पोस्ट परमनंट न्ही चेंज जातलो काय प्रॉब्लेम ना एक इलेक्शन लढून पळोवया आनी सरकार तरी हाडून दाखोवया आनी बरें तुमकां जर प्रेसिडेंट चेंज करपा आशिल्लो आमी GPCC जनरल सेक्रेटरी तुमी MP आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कित्याक चेंज करता तरी सांग आज एलिगेशन्स आमचेर जाता कोण म्हणटा सेटिंग आनी कितें आमचेर
Why,
एलिगेशन्स
sir?
कित्याक 4.5 वर्सां दिली पार्टेक 6 म्हयने दिया आशिल्ले आनी दाखोवन दितली आशिल्ली 27 सरकार आमी हाडून दाखयता आमी ग्रास
So in ZP we brought a majority, we got a MP, we did a BLAs, everything we did, everything center side we did it, sir. On what grounds is Amit Patkar getting?
Sir,
There was never,
that
there
is
was
the
never
mistake
ever we had
of
so
Why,
many
sir?
years.
And that
We
is
have
the
given
BLAs,
reason.
someone who is
Why he
already
has
was
been
thrown
removed.
out. Why now? Why the changes?
Why he has
And
been
if-
And
removed?
this
If
two
that
times,
was the
sir,
case,
you have to
why
understand.
Mr. Girish Chodankar was asked to resign in 2022? Because he was inefficient. If he was inefficient, how suddenly he became efficient now just 6 months before election?
What is going
And
on?
somebody who was doing the hard work, he's just come and ready to eat the biryani.
Sir,
This is not done.
So the civil society has given a letter, sir. And the Karyakartas went to Bangalore to tell Karge that we do not want the changes. Then in spite of all this, why the changes?
सर आता
Just
लोकांक
because
कशी
someone
फेस
goes in
करपाचें
Delhi by flight and
सर
telling
लोकांक
us
कशी
to-
फेस करपाचें
सा-
एक न्यू
पळय,
काँग्रेस
आमच्या
Tell
आमच्याकडे
them.
एकूच MP आसा आमचो आमी ताका सगळ्यांक वयर मानता MP आमचो सगळ्यांक वयर सेकंड मागीर आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आमी तुमचे कडेन आयला आमकां सांगात रिजन सांगा कित्याक चेंज केला आमी
What
सॅटिस्फाय
is the mistake of Amit Patkar?
तुम्ही
You should
तेन्ना
tell now.
4.5 वर्सां
He
ताका
has
स्टडी
monetary
करपाक
suffered.
दिली
He has
एक्झाम
spent
कित्याक आन्सर
crores
करपाक
of
दिले
rupees
ना
for party.
आतां
In
एक्झाम
spite of that,
दिवपाक
he has been removed. Why? What is the reason?
बरें दुसरें इतले यंग भुरगे आसात पार्टी आज यंग जनरेशन सोदतात
And you are
तेन्ना
putting
तो
the whole
रिजायन
people.
जाल्ल्या मनशाकूच तुमी कित्याक
तो
करता
प्रश्न
आज
आसा.
आमी काम करता
बाकीची कार्यकर्ती ना पार्टी भितर बाकीची
When,
कार्यकर्ती
when
ना
Amit
त्यांची
Patkar,
opportunity
when
केली
he
मेळपाची
was
सर.
appointed, it was
Resign
said that he is generation next. Why are we bringing generation X now? When you had passed the baton to generation
And
next,
second
why
is the,
suddenly
second
generation
is
X?
the president, the way he has been removed, it is a
So
humiliation.
humiliating.
Humiliation,
पळय
big
आतां
humiliation.
सेंट्रल लिडरशिपान केलं म्हणटा आमचो सेंट्रलाक धाडिल्लो मनीस तुमी आमकां कोण ना कित्याक डेस्क इन्चार्ज 5 दीस गोंयान आसा आमकां कांय खबर ना
He is
आमकां
not
कोणूच
even
सांगना.
interested in coming to the
आमी तुमकां
GPCC
सांगता
office.
आमकां सांगा आमी जे पळय आतां कालच्यान आसा कित्याक काडलो रिजन आमकां सांगा कोण म्हणटा आज खंय जितले पळय जे पळय लँड माफिया आसा हांणी काडपा लायलो अशें म्हणून आमकां आयकता कोण म्हणटा आनी कितें रिजन आमकां लोकांचे स्पेक्युलेशन्स नाका आमकां पार्टे कडल्यान क्लियर जाय की 4.5 वर्सां ज्या मनशान काम केलें आज एक एग्जाम आन्सर ताका करपा दिवपाची 27 आणि रिझल्ट पळोवपाचो ते सोडून अचानक 6 म्हयने म्हणून असं काडटात आणि तो रेजिग्नेशन दिवन गेलो हाका कित्याक काडलो एकूच आमचे आन्सर आमी तुमचे कडेन परत येतले तर तुमी दिल्ली पर्यंत पावल्या आमी पावपाक
Our
शकना
message, sir, was पावत जाय.
आमच्या
We want
And we want
clarification.
answer, sir.
And we want answer.
Also in the appointment letter.
एकूच विचार आमी सगळ्यांक सांगता काँग्रेसीचो डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी ओके तूं सुद्दां मिटिंगेक सांगतालो की बाबा ब्लॉकाचेर सजेशन घेतल्या शिवाय देर वील बी नो लिडरशीप मागीर आतां सगळ्या ब्लॉकांचेर सजेशन घेतलें इफ येस खंयच्या ब्लॉकांचेर घेतलें लायटिंगान कितें तरी आसतलें इफ नो जाल्यार तेजें रिजन बरें अमित पाटकरान कितें चूक केलें झेडपी नंबर्स वाडयले ते ती चूक काय सावथ गोवा जिंकले काय ऑर्गनायझेशन लेवलाचेर तेणी लक्ष दिलें म्हणून ही चूक
That too at the time of defection, sir. Defection. When we went and apologized to people,
आणि यंग फेस म्हणून लोकांना
we have brought trust back to the party.
And we work, no, sir. We are the one who working on the ground.
When all your bloc has worked so hard, tomorrow they'll be told dissolved.
डेमोक्रेटीक
This is
पार्टी
not
अशें
fair.
जायना कॅप्टन नाव यू आर रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ अस टू दिल्ली सो आमी कितें म्हणटा तूं डेलिगेशन घेवन वच घेवन चल आनी अपॉयंटमेंट घेवन आमकां रिजन जाय फक्त आमकां आनी काय नाका वी आर नॉट
Delegation.
आमकां फक्त
We want
रिजन जाय
reason. We want reason. On what basis?
आणि कोणाचो
Patkar has been removed.
लिडरशिपान सांगली बाबा ह्या रिजना खातीर चेंज केला
कित्याक कमेंट येता ते आमचे कडेन आयकुपाक जायना खरें सांगता आमी काम करता
आणि
आमकां
आमकांय
तुमची
खबर
नाका,
आसा
पोझिशन नाका.
प्रेसिडेंट
The comments we are going to
इट
hear,
इज
sir.
नॉट परमनंट म्हणल्यार कोणाचो कॉपीरायट ना तेजेर पूण रिजन पळोवपाक जाय न्ही बेश्टे तुमी 4-4.5
Why
वर्सां
suddenly? At
Block
least,
सांग कितें
at least
Block
Mr.
सांग कितें
Thackeray should have
Confidence
called
and
Mr.
आणि कोण
Mr.
capable
Amit
नसलो.
Patkar.
Block
He should
president
have
सांग
called.
कितें
He should have said that this is what we are doing.
कार्यकर्ते असते मुखार
Afternoon he is doing protest with the party. In the evening you are telling him get out. Get out.
काय तो लोटाच्या
This is the
अगेन्स्ट
way.
लोटाच्या अगेन्स्ट आवाज काढलो अडानीच्या अगेन्स्ट आवाज काढलो म्हणून तेका काढलो इज दॅट द रिजन
आमकां कळपाक
And
जाय.
Mr. Priyank Shankar was Tamil Nadu in charge.
Waiting because I am waiting for you all to finish.
Yeah,
It
that's
would
right.
have been better.
Mr.
We could have had it
Chudankar.
privately because
sir.
आम्ही सांगले
We
तुम्हाला
have
media
done a lot
आसा.
of privacy,
It is a party.
sir.
They
A lot of
could have sit
privately
inside.
things. No, a lot of privately things have been done. We have
I
resigned.
will only tell you one thing that neither was I consulted nor I have been asked and I am not aware. I only came to know last night when somebody sent me that copy of it. That's all. And I don't lie. This is an honest answer. Nobody has asked me.
म्हणल्यार काँग्रेसीन एमपीचो व्हॅल्यू ना
No.
What is this now?
So
What
I
is
am
this
given the
now?
answer. हाचे फुडें आनी हांव काय उलोवंक शकना. Nobody has asked me. Nobody has consulted. Okay. So
What is your stand?
Very sad.
What is your stand, sir?
I will decide. I cannot tell now.
Amit
You
Patkar.
can ask me the stand now. I have given a very honest answer.
Yeah.
Now don't poke me. I lose my temper. Okay, I will lose my temper. I have given you an honest answer. What is your stand? What is your stand? Don't ask me. I have decently respected your sentiment. You have to respect my sentiment. What I am going through.
आम्ही तुझ्या खातीर काम केला म्हणून आम्ही
100%.
रायट आसा
सदांच आभारी आहात. आणि हांवें तुमकां सांगलां
जे प्रमाणे कॉमेंट मारता तो पर्यंत आमकां लोकां मदीं वचपाक भंय
पळय,
दिसता
पळय.
अशी सिच्युएशन
हांवें
जालां
तुमकां
गोंयांत
सांगलां
सद्याक सर
हांवें आयकलें हांवें तुमकां सांगलां आय एम क्लूलेस
बरोबर सर
and I am honest about it and I am on record.
आम्ही जे ग्रिव्हन्सीस सांगल्या तुका सर आम्ही
डेलिगेशन घेऊन या
रिझल्ट म्हाका ना
तुझ्या लिडरशिप अंडर डेलिगेशन घेऊन
एक तू आतां
विचारूया.
आम्ही ते
आणि आता म्हाका
थंय उलोवया.
सांग पार्टी जर 8 दिसांनी इलेक्शन आसल्यार परत प्रेसिडेंट चेंज केलो
काल
जाल्यार
सकाळ सर तुजेर अटॅक जातलो मागीर कितें करपाचें अशें आहा न्हू तें सिच्युएशन
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.